Super Clean. That's right, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hello, folks. We are teaming up with Super Clean once again to give away free Super Clean. Super Clean. Super Clean. Golly, this shirt is a little bit tighter than it was a few months ago. Can't imagine why. Super Clean. Okay, so here's the rules of Super Clean giveaway. This is a 17-ounce aerosol can. You'll be getting one of those and a 32-ounce spray cleaner. Super Clean. Tough Task Cleaner, Degreaser. We're going to clean up this nasty Royal Gourmet grill. Yeah, it's got bird poop, it's got grease, but I'm going to use it. The inside's pretty clean. Well, I'm going to use it and grill up some burgers today, so I want to get this super clean. Super clean. Hey, so listen, you'll get a box like this, which has got both of these in it. Be sent right to your house. Now, this is what you got to do, all right? In the comments, got to have super clean in the comments. Got to leave a comment. It's got to have super clean in the comments. I'll pick a winner, and it'll be a random picking deal. You know, the little program, Random Picker. So we'll read through the comments that don't say super clean. The ones that do will have a chance to win super clean. You got to be in the lower 48 states of the U.S., the United States only. Sorry, guys. Those are the rules. And we'll be doing a giveaway. So we'll plan on doing a giveaway video to announce the winners and show the picking on the 17th of July. So today's the 10th, 17th we'll be doing that. So super clean. Hey man, I'll tell you, this stuff works great. If you haven't had it, they sell it at Walmart. That's an easy one to get to. But I'm going to have you check these out. I'm going to clean this grill with super clean. And oh, check out Super Clean on YouTube. Uh, super easy, super fast is what you got to look for. They've got a YouTube page and a lot of testimonies of how good the product is. So with further ado, let's get this clean. Tell me that's not super clean. Super clean. Again, if you'd like a chance to win some super clean products, aerosol can and spray cleaner, degreaser, leave a comment. It has to say super clean. And you have to be in the lower 48 of the United States to be able to enter. Super clean. Super clean. Super clean. Peace.